Environmental Systems Design is an architectural engineering firm. We do HVAC, electrical, plumbing, fire protection, telephone systems, network systems. We basically do everything that you don't see. Our clients tend to be a lot of commercial work,
including offices, residential buildings, high-rises, international projects.
We do just about everything except maybe single-family homes.
We use a lot of different softwares. For drafting and modeling, we use Revit.
Revit is kind of the first application of its time to combine the CAD, the drawings, with the design work. It's very computationally intensive.
Up until now, we've been using home-built white boxes, we call them.
One of the main issues we had with our white boxes was while users are using their applications, all of a sudden they might just freeze up.
For some projects, couldn't even open the files, let alone work on them. And if we could get the files open, they would crash a lot of times. We were constantly rebooting.
The white boxes really cost us a lot because, one, our time spending trying to figure out what the problem was, but two, also the engineer would have to step aside while we're just trying to get the machines to work. We were constantly in crisis mode. The primary solution for us was just to get a workstation that could run our applications, period. We were looking for a workstation solution with a longer life cycle. We were also looking for a partner where we could go to them for service and support and help us to remain invisible. And HP provided that. We took one of our best white boxes and we ran it against the Z400.
So we compared it, apples for apples, and the difference was night and day.
We were using a particular model in Revit, and it was taking us up to 40 minutes to load that model into the system. With the Z400s, it was 10 minutes. The performance improvements were remarkable.
The main specific features that we loved about the Z-Workstation was the Xeon Nehalem processor, the bus speed and the memory speed, and also the easy accessibility to the interior of the machine.
Price was an important part of our decision process, and with HP we got a lot of bang for our buck.
We really liked the performance tuning software, which is standard on all the Z-Workstations. It automatically maintains and updates all the drivers for the workstation. Performance tuning is one feature that you're not going to find on any other manufacturer out there, except for HP.
One of the features we really like is the relationship between HP and Autodesk. The ISV certifications, the pathway for good, better, best upgrades.
The HPs give so much more speed than our old white box systems that I can now be running Revit on one window, Ecotect on another, and I have confidence that my computer's not going to crash and that I'll be able to get all my work done by the end of the day.
My productivity has increased and the frustration level has dramatically decreased.
One of the great features of the new HPs is its remote graphics software. I can sit at home on my laptop on a Saturday and it's just like it's a window into my computer at the office. It's secure, it's fast.
The engineers out on the floor, they love the Z-Workstation. They're all clamoring to get the first one that they can.
In the midst of cost cutting, we were able to actually improve our budget for HP workstations because we found that we were getting a lot of productivity out of them. This year we've focused on trying to improve in the building information modeling area. The HP workstations helped us to achieve that goal. The HP Z400 workstations, they've helped us to look more towards the future and spend less time on maintenance and support and more time on looking at what new technologies we can employ to make our company more profitable.
We can take on more jobs, be more efficient at what we do, have more time to spend on the job itself rather than dealing with other technical issues. It makes everyone's life a little bit easier.
We're just getting started on this journey with Hewlett-Packard workstations. We're excited about the opportunity of working with them closely. We're not in the IT business. We think IT needs to be invisible to the people who work here. We would like it to be like the telephone where you just pick it up and use it and you don't really think about it. And the HP Z workstations help us achieve that.